Every great transformation begins with the courage to embrace change. Reform is not an event, it is a journey guided by vision, enabled by innovation, and sustained by commitment. Pranam, may I now seek the kind permission of Your Lordship, Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Orissa, to formally declare this function open?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Lordship. The function is declared open. I have the honor to welcome Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, the Chief Justice of the High Court of Orissa, Honorable Justice, Honorable Sri Justice Krishnaram Mahapatra, Judge High Court of Orissa and Chairman, IT and AI Committee, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Orissa, and all other dignitaries joining us through video conferencing. I also extend a warm welcome to all the district and session judges, judicial officers, members of the registry, and the staff. Today marks an important milestone in the ongoing digital transformation of the judiciary of Orissa with the inauguration of the following e-initiatives under the able guidance of Honorable the Chief Justice, Orissa High Court. The first one is e-guard file system. Second is e-inventory management system. Third one is judicial officers redressal portal. The fourth one is pilot implementation of OJOAS, including leave management module in the 5 identified districts, namely Baudh, Cuttack, Dhenkanal, Khordha, and Puri. May I now respectfully request Honorable Sri Justice Krishnaram Mahapatra, Judge High Court of Orissa, and Chairman IT and AI Committee to deliver the welcome address. My Lord, please.
Thank you, Dr. Ratha, the Registrar General. Namaskar and a very good afternoon to you all. Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, the Chief Justice of High Court of Orissa, my esteemed colleagues in IT and AI Committee, and my brother judges. My dear members of the, London Registrar General and members of the registry, dear district judges and judicial officers of the state judiciary, my dear CPC and his team, members of print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this special occasion of launching of 4 important e-initiatives and dedicating those to the state judiciary. I consider it a privilege to address the August gathering on the significant occasion of the judiciary of our state. The virtual launch of 4 important initiatives aimed at strengthening our administrative efficiency and institutional responsiveness and day-to-day judicial functioning. The judiciary of the state is in a transitional stage. It today stands at a intersection of tradition and transformation. Technology, when thoughtfully deployed, ensure consistency and allow judicial officers to focus what matters most in the administration of justice. Today, 4 initiatives are going to be launched in a few minutes by our beloved Honorable Chief Justice. The first initiative is the e-guard file management system. Over the years, the Office of the District Judiciary has to rely on scattered physical records, emails, or informal channels to access important notification, circulars, standard operating procedure, guidelines issued by the High Court and various government departments. Those documents were being pasted on a diary or kept in a folder file for preserving the documents for a long time. But such kind of preservation leads to natural decay and is lacking easy accessibility. eGuard seeks to resolve this issue by creating a secure, centralized and searchable digital repository of all such important communications. This will ensure authenticity, uniform access, and timely reference while reducing dependency on physical files. The second initiative is the e-inventory management system. Under the e-code project and through state budget, substantial hardware infrastructure has been provided to ports across the state. Maintaining accurate records of procurement, allocation, movement, and status of such hardware has become both necessary and challenging. This system will enable transparent and real-time tracking of all IT assets, support better planning for upgrade and replacement, and ensure accountability in management of public resources. The third initiative is the Judicial Officers Redressal Portal. Previously, Judicial Officers Grievance Redressal Portal was available to our judicial officers to upload their grievance and valuable suggestion for consideration by this court. Judicial officers often face service related or administrative issues that require timely attention and structured resolution. This portal has been designed not merely as a redressal mechanism but as a facilitation platform, one that allows officers to raise concern, seek clarification, and track responses in a confidential, orderly, and time bound manner. The fourth initiative is the Odisha Judicial Workflow Automation System (OJWAS). This is a comprehensive e-office solution for handling administrative files within the judicial establishment. OJWAS will bring greater structure, traceability, and efficiency to administrative decision making by reducing paper movement, enabling file tracking, and ensuring accountability at every stage. Importantly, OJWAS will also incorporate a leave management module for judicial officers, simplifying the process of applying, processing, and maintaining leave records in a uniform and transparent digital framework. This project being is being launched in 5 districts as a pilot project. Taken together, these initiatives represent a shift towards a more integrated, responsive, and digitally empowered judicial administration. They have been designed keeping in mind the practical realities and faced by judicial officers and court staff and will continue to evolve based on feedback from all of you. I request all officers and staff to engage with these systems, use them actively, and share constructive feedback. Your experience on ground will be invaluable in refining these platforms and ensuring that they truly serve the intended purpose. Last but not the least, I congratulate all technical hands who are responsible for successful launching of these 4 initiatives. Thanking you. Namaskar.
Thank you, my lord, for briefly apprising the objectives and scope of the digital initiatives. May I now humbly invite Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly inaugurate and launch the above e-initiatives. My lord, please.
Welcome to the launch of eGuard File Management System, e-Inventory, Judicial Officers Redressal Portal and OJWAS, the Orissa Judicial Workflow Automation System, in pilot district courts. These services aim to enhance efficiency, transparency, and accessibility, empowering both judicial officers and court staff across the district judiciary. Let's begin with the eGuard File Management System. This is a secure digital repository designed to preserve vital judicial and administrative documents permanently. These documents, ranging from circulars to official correspondence, are crucial for future reference, verification, and compliance. Next, let's explore e-inventory, also known as the District Court Inventory System. This system simplifies the management and tracking of IT assets and other inventory within the judiciary. Developed in consultation with district court staff, it ensures accurate asset recording, centralized data management, and enhanced transparency and accountability in asset tracking. Moving on to the Judicial Officers Redressal Portal. It is a secure, role-based web application that enables judicial officers to submit, track, and resolve grievances efficiently. The key features of this portal include OTP-based login for secure access, a real-time dashboard to track the status of grievances at various stages, from pending at the district level to resolution at the High Court. Role-based access, ensuring that only authorized personnel, judicial officers, district judges, and the High Court can take appropriate actions on grievances. Finally, we have Ojwash, the Orissa Judicial Workflow Automation System. Ojwash streamlines the management of office files and official correspondence, aiming to improve efficiency and accountability within judicial office administration. Key features include file creation, notings, draft preparation, file movement, attachment of DAX, and monitoring pendency. In addition to these, a leave management module has been introduced for the district judiciary in the Ojwash to computerize the leave application workflow. Ojwash is already operational at the Honorable High Court and is now being extended to the pilot district courts of Cuttack, Khordha, Puri, Dhenkanal, and Bodh, bringing greater efficiency to the system. Together, these systems, e-Guard File, e-Inventory, Judicial Officers Redressal Portal, and Ojwash, represent a significant leap forward in the digital transformation of the district judiciary in Orissa. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, CPC and the team. May I now request Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly deliver the inaugural address. My Lord, please.
Good evening to all of you. My brothers and sister judges who are present on this momentous occasion, the Registrar General and the other members of the registry, the district judges and all the judges who are posted in a different district of the state, the members of the bar, the CPC team, the other print media peoples who are also present at the inaugural of the initiatives by the High Court. Ladies and gentlemen, it is really heartening to note that we are really going into a transitional phase of converting ourselves from a conventional way of dealing with the files to a digital files. In a technological age, we are accustomed now with the technology which is already put in place by introduction of the virtual courts, the virtual hearings, recording of the evidences of the witnesses through on a virtual platform. This is another initiative which has been taken up by the High Court by launching 4 initiatives, that is the e-Guard file management system, e-inventory management system, the judicial officers redressal portal, and the OJWAS, that is the Orissa Judicial Workflow Automation System. We all have experience in the past and in the presentee as well, that there has been a slew of correspondences, letters, notifications, circulars, and the standard operating procedures, guidelines, and the policies, which are really pouring into us in a physical form. And it is very difficult to preserve those documents for the future reference or for the work efficiency. As my brother Justice Mahapatra says that it is susceptible to a natural decay, it is also susceptible to decay with the external forces like a termite. There may also be a bug which would definitely destroy those materials. I can't say that we will eradicate the bug because sometimes the applications and the softwares also encounters with the bugs. I hope that this particular the app will definitely not eaten by any bug, and it will be a seamless functions. Uh, this is really the guard files management system is really a digital repository and the tracking platform for all important official communications. And it will ensure not only the tracking retrieval, but the reference of the circulars and the guidelines. And I believe that all the judicial officers, including the staffs of the judiciary, they will be benefited by this particular app which we have launched today. So far as the e-inventory management system is concerned, this is really an asset from the backbone of our digital court ecosystem. And we have encountered with several volumes and the variety of the equipments which are in place or which has been installed. To meet those challenges of maintaining the accurate records and the tracking of the deployment, monitoring the life cycle of the status, and ensuring the timely maintenance of the replacement, I think this app will be of immense importance and will definitely enhance our work efficiency. So far as the judicial officers redressal portal is concerned, I'm a bit skeptical about this particular app which we have launched today. But being and need of an hour and is an ordain of the High Court, all my brothers and sisters, they wanted this particular app to be launched. But I believe that all the judicial officers are very sensitive. They will not exploit this particular app with all the fringe issues to be raised therein, and they will definitely use this particular app with the optimal way, and this I believe will be of some importance. So far as the OJWAS is concerned, the High Court is already working on that and is already there. We are all putting files on the OJWAS. We are disposing of those files in a more convenient and effective manner. So we have chosen a pilot districts like Vaud, Cuttack, Dhenkanal, Khurda, and Puri. Let us see that how it works and how it can give an immense importance or immense help to us. It is really envisioned as a comprehensive e-office platform for the district judiciary as well, designed to bridge the long-standing gap by bringing a structure, uniformity, and accountability to the administrative functioning. It is an integral component of the OJWAS, which we have introduced, being my idea to some extent, that the leave management module should also be included therein. At least what I feel is that so far as the leave of the judicial officers are concerned, at least it should be there on a particular common platform, accessible to all of us, so that we can definitely take a decision for a better future, and also to encourage the judicial officers to enhance their working efficiency and ensure the disposal of the cases which are definitely exploding our docket. I again congratulate the team members of the IT and the CPC team members that they have tirelessly worked on creating this particular e-initiatives programs, and it is dedicated to all of you. And I hope that it will be of an immense help to all of you. Thank you. Thanks all.
Obliged, my lord, for insulating the idea of having the above initiatives to be used in the district judiciary, which will significantly enhance the quality of judicial administration and service delivery. May I now respectfully request Honorable Dr. Justice Sanjeev Kumar Panigrahi, Judge, High Court of Orissa, to kindly propose vote of thanks. My lord, please.
Respected Justice Harish Tandon, this Chief Justice of Orissa High Court, my sister and brother judges, Chairman of the IT Committee, Justice Mahapatra, the Registrar General and all the officials of the registry, all the district judges, judicial officers joining online, members of the bar, CPC and his team, print and electronic media, and all other members who are joining this today's program. An e-initiative is not just about using technology. It is about using innovations to make opportunities accessible to everyone. So today's innovative technology is a step towards our innovation by our own in-house team led by the CPC. And my previous speakers, Chief Justice and Justice Mahapatra has already spoken about the details of the program, how this is going to be helpful to our system, how it will modernize our system, how it will make us more closer to the smarter court system. So therefore, I feel today is one of the most proud and meaningful day for all of us. We are together to launch the host of e-initiative as detailed by my previous speakers. And I have nothing to add here. And I don't want to stand between you and your snacks. So let's please to use this technology for a meaningful purpose. And the e-initiative launched by our High Court, and that will go a long way in strengthening our judicial system and make access to justice very easy. At the end, I congratulate all of you who are the user of this technology, and also congratulate the team CPC for innovating such initiative. And I hope in future we'll have more and more such features in our system. Thank you all.
Thank you, Your Lordship, for the concluding remarks and extending vote of thanks. With these words, I heartily thank Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, all the dignitaries, CPC of this court and his team, officers of the registry, and the participants for their gracious presence and support in making this program meaningful and successful. May I now seek the kind permission of the Honorable Chair to declare the function formally closed.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord. The event is declared closed. Pranam.